Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable credit monitoring with Experian for fraud alerts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable credit monitoring with Experian for fraud alerts, start by visiting the Experian website. Once on the home page, locate the menu at the top of the screen. Click on the Credit Reports section. From there, select Credit Monitoring. You will be prompted to sign in to your existing account or create a new one. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials and click Sign In. If you need to create a new account, follow the on-screen. This will include details like your name, address, and social security number. After entering your information, create a unique password for your account. Once your account is set up, log in to your Experian account. In your dashboard, look for the option labeled Fraud Alerts or Fraud Protection. Click on this option to access the fraud alert settings. You will see an option to enable alerts. Select the type of alerts you want to receive. Read through the information provided about what each alert covers. Make your selections based on your preferences. Once you have chosen your desired alerts, click the Enable button. You will receive a confirmation message once your alerts are successfully activated. Check your email or notifications for additional verification steps if needed. After everything is set up, you can monitor your credit activity through your dashboard. You are now actively protected with Experian's credit monitoring and fraud alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.